And mint helps settle your stomach as you're actually eating it, so if you had too much to eat in your barbecue, this is actually a great go-to dish. Welcome to Fuel Plus Healthy Test Kitchen. So today we're going to work on a watermelon salad that's made with fresh mints and feta cheese. It's really easy to make and it's a crowd favorite. So if you have a barbecue to go to, this is definitely a dish to bring. So let's get started. Today's ingredient includes a fresh watermelon, feta cheese, 1 tablespoon of Fuel Plus MCT oil, half to 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, about 20 mint leaves for my recipe, and then we have salt and pepper to taste. The first task of this watermelon salad is actually to cube the watermelon. So when you have a watermelon like this, easiest way, first step, is to actually halve it first. So I usually put my big knife in here and slowly tap on the top, okay? And when I push through, you'll halve the watermelon first. My recipe calls for half of it, but if you have a big party, make sure you cut the whole thing. So after this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tip it upside down so it's not wobbly, and slice it into manageable sizes. And then each piece, cut it like a little ship. Once you cube all the watermelon that you need, the next step is actually use the mint. So what I've done earlier is I washed the mint and have it dried, because you don't really want to have a lot of water in the mint. And after that, all you have to do is just pick the leaves out and leave the stamp. Okay, I think I got enough mints here. So next step is just quickly toss it together. Make sure that the mint starts to incorporate into the watermelon as well too. So next what you can do is go ahead and add some lemon juice. I have about an ounce of lemon juice. I'm gonna use about half of that. Okay? And just toss them back together. So you're gonna start seeing that the mint leaf are gonna wilt a little bit. The next step is salt and pepper to taste. I really like the juxtaposition between salt and sweetness. And then black pepper. Black pepper is a great little bit addition to the spiciness on this really otherwise naturally sweetened salad. Okay. One more ingredient to toss is the MCT oil. So I have about a tablespoon of MCT oil here. Okay. Since MCT oil is flavorless, and so you can actually use this salad without having it always taste like olive oil. But in a pinch, you can use olive oil if you like. So before I add the feta cheese, I would love to plate it first and then put the feta cheese on top. I'm just gonna plate it in the glass bowl right here first. Save all the juice, okay? Last but not least is adding the feta cheese. I really love hand crumbling feta cheese instead of cutting feta cheese. You can cut it into cubes, but if you're like me, I just really like to pick it up, make sure it's dried, and just use your hand and crumble it right on top, okay? Just like that. Okay, after you do all that, the last step, I like just to add a little bit more black pepper on top, just to give it a little bit of garnish. You have yourself amazing, refreshing watermelon salad with fresh mints and feta. Well, let's give this a shot. I can't wait to taste this. It's refreshing, I can taste the mint, and the feta cheese definitely add an amazing little saltiness to it. I can't wait for you to try yourself. It's super easy to make and it's definitely a crowd pleaser. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We're gonna make a lot more of these amazingly easy and refreshing healthy recipes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Ah,